Do you often feel fatigued, mentally foggy, or like your body isn't keeping up with your busy life? Low energy and poor focus can make even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming. When your body lacks the right balance of nutrients, it can't function at its best. Over time, this can affect your heart health, energy levels, and even mental clarity, leaving you feeling stuck and unmotivated. MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Taurine is here to help. This powerful amino acid supports your cardiovascular system, boosts cellular energy, and enhances mental clarity. With 500 milliliters in every capsule, it helps fuel your body and mind to keep you going strong all day. Don't let low energy hold you back. With taurine, you can feel focused, energized, and ready to take on anything. Visit drnicolemd.com/MaxHealth Nutraceuticals now and give your body the support it needs to thrive.